Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel Golden Pips, YPFs and Profits. I'm Anup. I'll be analyzing chart of gold USD. So if you are watching my video first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market updates and analysis. So let's get started. So now we'll just do the quick review about your positions, which we did yesterday only. We were having the positions from 2039, 2038, 2032 and even 2070 from upward. Correct, and we made our TPs, both the TPs. The final TP was 2010 and we are still holding some positions from 2070 because we are expecting further fall, but it may take time. For long term, we just have some small positions in micro lots. Correct. The price came 2010. We got some buy positions here with the SL of 2006. And immediately for scalping purpose, we just closed some positions at 2019, around 90 pips we did from that, and remaining kept on B at break even. And in the morning again we got some positions from 2020 levels, right? We were having the positions buying from this zone and 2020, from 10 and 2020, right? And we closed at 2035. Market made high of 2035.5 around. So we got good profit over here on the buying side even, right? From 2010 around 250 pips and 2020 around 150 pips, around 400 pips in buying side only, right? And what we did today, one more position which I opened, sell positions around 2028, and then SL was it in the same position, right? I was expecting actually 32, 34 zone. I was expecting these zones in London session, but the moment came in the Asian session only and quickly moved up to that level, right? And after that, what we did, we were having position, we opened the positions over here in the sell position 2035 and ran up to the level of 2020. Again we got 150 pips from this zone. Correct. Now we have closed these positions and one position still holding in sell from 2035. If further falls, then definitely you can get some more pips, which is expected. Now for scalping purpose, we already opened one buying positions also from 2020. The SL is 2017, so I'm expecting at least 2027 or 2030 in New York session, right? So just look at the economic calendar first, then we'll come back to this chart again and we'll look for the DXY again and how it is moving, how we can correlate for New York session. So just move into economic calendar first. So here you can see in the economic calendar there's the data of USD dollar at 6:45 p.m. Indian Standard Time. ADP numbers are there, ADP numbers for NFP. So the numbers are showing higher than previous, 131k and 113k was the previous number, so it is showing higher than previous. So what, how we can expect from these data basically in New York session? See, if data comes, actual data if comes higher than this data, then definitely it will impact higher than expected, you know, on DXY pair as expected. As I already said, like how I am looking for DXY since last 2 days, it is showing some strength, it is showing some kind of reversal, some kind of structural change, which I already said yesterday. We discussed about this, and that thing may happen today also. So by that we can reach our target in DXY. If we are reaching a target of DXY, then definitely it will impact on gold, how it may correlate. So just look into the chart again. So just look at here DXY chart. As I already explained, once more I will just quickly refer this thing. Here we can see the left shoulder head and the right shoulder. I am looking for this, and which is expected to complete also. And if data comes accordingly, if it comes in favor of DXY, then definitely DXY can move further up. And what may be the target? The next target would be 104.23 somewhere, and then the next one is 104.53. it may reach up to this level. How we can correlate with this gold? So we just look into the gold chart. Just move into this. So just look at the levels for FIVO. Market is respecting very well. 0.6618 got rejected, and we got all the TPs, selling TPs, which was holding from 2070-75 zone. The levels was 2009.9, right, and then rejected from this zone. We already said we were having the buying positions closed over here, and we got good profit in this. Right now market is ranging in between 2010 to 2035, and in next 2 days you already have the positions of buying and selling both the way, right? Buying positions from 2010 and the sell positions from 2070, which you are holding for long term, right? And we have the NFV data in this week. So market may very volatile within this week on Friday, right? For today, how we can see, just look at another chart, then you will get the idea of that. So what you can do in New York session, if this area definitely gets support over here, then market may go up from this zone only, right? What levels, which I already said, you have the buying positions here, and you have the sell positions also, added sell positions at 2035 levels. Just hold on that. If markets rejected over here, right, if market breaches this zone 2017, then definitely it may go down up to the level of 2010 again. It may retest this zone and then up. That is also the possibility, right? So how you rotate? Just be in the position, and when you get around 30-40 pips, just keep on B. Just keep on B. You already got good profit today, so I will advise just keep on B and hold your position for further up. 2030 may possible you will get this, right? And so you will be having one buying from here and one buying position from this zone also, right? Second scenario, which I already said, if this area breaches down, then definitely market will go down further and it may retest the 2009 or 10 zone, correct? Then we'll see if this area definitely should hold. If this area also doesn't hold, then definitely it can more down, which was expected, or which are expecting, because I'm expecting within this week 1980 or 1990 may possible. See, within this week they are having some NFV data, right, and it is very high impacting data. So market may proceed in a single direction, which I already said in our group, it may proceed in a single direction, in single move, right? So just be cautious and don't hold any position without stop loss. I'm telling you repeatedly, you have already seen the example 2 days back. So don't hold any position without any sell. Stop loss has to be there in any position, whether it is scalping, intraday calls or swing calls. Stop loss is must. Then only you follow my setups. Otherwise you need not to follow my setup. So whenever you are following my setup, then you need to put stop loss, right? Hope you understand what I'm saying. If this area breaches down, then definitely market can test the level of 2010 and 9, correct? So accordingly you can manage your positions in New York session. See, it depends upon data, right? If data comes positive for DXY, then definitely it may not hold. It may not hold this area, right? Then definitely will come down. Don't jump to any position, right? Don't jump into the any positions immediately. Just look and just monitor this zone. Like if it is holding, then only open buy. Otherwise you won't open any buying position. Just hold on there. The sell position are already there, so you just keep on going up to at least this zone, up to at least 2010, or maybe further fall is possible up to the level of 2000, right? So both the scenario I already told, just be in the position with SL only, right? Hope you understand. Trade safely. Bye bye, take care.